All right, so I have a lot of ladies that that bash me on Facebook and Instagram, and they say that who am I to deduct points from women, right? Well, I need to explain something to you ladies. So check this out. You guys, take points away from us all the time, and we don't complain, right? We accept it as gospel, right? You tell us, you know what, you want a guy that's 6 feet tall, six pack abs, all this other stuff, right? We accept that. That's cool. But why is it that we can't deduct points from you guys? For instance, you can't be fat, period. Just like you want a guy with a six pack, you can't be fat, lady. It's just as simple as that. Number two, right? You got kids. That's automatic 3 points off. Period. End of story, right? These are our points. This is how this is how we take off points for ladies, right? Number one, if you're fat, bro, that's 5 points. I'm sorry. You got kids, that's 3 points. So now you are 2 out of 10, right? Just like if a guy was a scrub, he was living in his mother's basement. That's a negative 10 for y'all, right? You can't go no further. You ain't trying to get to know his character. You ain't trying to get to know nothing, right? It's the same thing with us, right? So if you have standards, we have standards, and the standards are simply this, right? If you are fat, that's minus 5, right? You got kids, -3, so you 8 points in the hole.